Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on our app screen button to be visible on our home screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this button and how to turn it on. We have to go to Settings. In Settings we are looking for our home screen options here, and here we have Show App Screen button on home screen. If we turn it on, our app button will be displayed here, and it will stay here. We don't need to swipe. We just need to push this little button. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.